And with more news, a man in a wheelchair steals another man's lawnmower. He has a disability, they said. Yes, disability to steal your shit.
Hey. 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 Hey, jackass.
I
Bring
have
my
no
lawnmower
idea what's
back.
going on with all these people with disability committing these heinous
Bring
crimes.
my fucking lawnmower back.
Now he's probably taking that lawnmower engine to put
Hey,
in his
bitch.
wheelchair to become the next Fast and Furious. Handicap edition.
Hey.
My boy reversed and got it like he had a truck.